Hey everyone, so I wanted to make a few videos talking about how to use this new Thymeleaf module I created for manipulating query strings. Basically, I intend to make a few videos talking about how to use it, the motivations behind it, and I'll actually use a real application to show you how it all works. Basically, this first video is I'll just go over what it's all about. So this page is a work in progress, but basically the whole idea for this module is to provide lots of utility methods that will just make your life easier with dealing with query strings rather than all having to do it within the template code itself. So for example, we can add new key value pairs to the query string, we can retrieve a key's value, remove, replace and update, things like that are all available. There's lots of Spring MVC helpers, so I've specifically designed this module to work with the Spring paging and sorting repository. So for example, I'll show you an example later, but if you've got a HTML table and you want to scroll through different pages, we can increment and decrement page numbers, and we can also create a sort toggle between the different table columns, which I'll show you in a couple of videos time. So all these links go to the java.usage examples. So just to give you a bit of a taste of what it's all about, if you want to add a new key value pair to a query string, this is how you do it. So I've sort of gone out of my way to provide actual usage examples written in Thymeleaf and sort of the before and after effect. So for example, if we have this query string here and we want to add the new key value pair city with the value San Francisco, the resulting new query string will have the new key value pair appended to the end. And it also covers different scenarios, like what happens if the key and value exists, what happens if you have the same key already but you decide to add a new value. So sort of gone out of my way to try and make it as easy as possible to use. And the good thing is that it has full IDE support in IntelliJ, so you get autocomplete and inline documentation. This is all my docs here that I created. It just goes to the java.page page with all the methods that you can use. All these have usage examples as well, so hopefully it's easy to use. Like I was saying, this is a bit of work in progress, but as soon as I finish it, I'll publish it to Maven, and I'll show you how to use it with Spring Boot as well. But it's really easy. It's pretty much you just create a bean for it, exposing a query string dialect, which we'll show you how to do later. But yeah, in the next video, I'll start with an example of how to use the paging feature within a real life application. Until then, stay tuned. Thanks.